So hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will be teaching you or showing you how client and server works. So let me just open my VS Code. So client is nothing but the browser and server is nothing but the backend which we are creating in views.py. So let me just open my browser. So let me create a client first. This is client.browser, server of. So we have client and we have server. So client is nothing but the browser which we are using now, and server is nothing but the code which we have written in VS Code. So let me just run my, so it's already running. I will just copy this, create one new tab. HTTP 127 is nothing but my local host and it's running in port number 8000. So my project is running in port number 8000. So whenever I initiate this URL, so whenever I click enter, it will be redirected to my server. What I have done is in my project, you can see in urls.py. So path is nothing but the URL which client is entering here. This is a server running on the port, and rather than this, whatever we write here, this is known as path values. I have given blank. So even here I am given blank. So whenever I hit this path, my views.newDisplay will take care of this request. My browser gave me as please enter your values here. It is just because my server returned something so that the browser is displaying here. So for example, if I just given slash here and save it, so if I try to give the same URL to the server, it will return page not found. So why? Because we don't have any path which is blank. So let me just cancel it. So I hope you guys understood what I am coming to say. So if I reload, it will be a HTML file. So this page is nothing but the index.html file which we have created here. I told you whenever my URL hits it, my path will tell server to take care of this request for the views.newDisplay function. My newDisplay function takes one request parameter. So whenever the client and browser server take places, there will be n number of clients who will be hitting to the server. So the server need to know which client is given with the request. So we are just giving the parameters as request so that the server will know who is the current browser and what should I return to them. So in our case, only this browser initiated a request pull. So it hits to the server and my server responds it by an HTML file which we have designed our server to be like this. So this is nothing but the request and this is nothing but the response. The request goes from client to server and the response comes from server to client. So this is how client and server works. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching guys. I will be continuing in next video. Bye bye.